Hi, Trini Bites in the house here. Today is the first day we're going to make a cook outside. First day of the good day we're getting in Toronto. And actually, we're going to fry some, we're going to roast some chicken in the stove. That's layers that we bought. And we're going to curry that with some hot peppers. And my first beer for a while. So, cheers everybody.
Lee.
And Chris is outside as well.
Enjoying the nice weather.
Alright, so first one on the fire. This is the second one. First one is already roasted. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that bird. That's how I like them. Roasted like that. The second one. Now the third. I'm going to try and cut up one now. You know, you gotta get it sharp because the meat is a little hard in. It's one leg. Take the fat off. Chop it sharp. Leg. Hey, how this lime gonna go without a cool stag? Cheers.
Yes. Happy birthday.
This is my beer, Stag. I've been drinking this beer since I was 17 years old. This is a joke for certain people. A former Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago was doing a little renovation in his house. And the carpenter asked him, he said, Prime Minister, how much feet in a yard? Prime Minister replied, it depends on how much people in the yard.
Chris. No?
It's coming along nicely there. Look at those beautiful pieces. Roasted. Yeah, I'm gonna try something one day. I see the Bushman roast piece by piece and then he cook it. So I'll try that one day. Right, Bush? So that's it. That's the three of them. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna wash it and season this, and later is action. It's curry. So stay tuned. I've already cleaned it, and what I'm gonna do now is squeeze a lime in it. I can also use flour, salt, vinegar, but I like the lime. And again, this is Bobby style. Put a fork in and just turn the lime and get all the juice out of it. Like that. Turn them around. I'm going to let this sit for about 2 minutes and then I'm going to rinse it out and season it. So it's seasoning time. I'm going to put this is seasoning, have a bandania. It has onion, garlic, celery, green onions, salt, and hot pepper. So I'm going to put like 3 spoons. Also, I'm going to put some salt. Later on, I'll do a recipe on this, how much you put. But today, we're just hanging out, liming. Alright, it's time to chunky. Been marinating for about a couple hours. I'll check and see the oil is hot. Oh yeah, hot, but that's really hot. Must wait a little bit again. Give it a couple of minutes again. I like the hot to go. You have to make a song when you're cooking, especially curry. And meanwhile, Chris will go into a cool beer for me, please.
Yeah, cool.
Stag is brewing something, and Stag is always brewing the best beer. Really. Alright, so let me go. Onions, pimento, Filipino leaves, everything is good in there.
Nice.
Here goes the curry. Hear that song. How many songs are you putting on the song in the background there? Okay, that song if you want.
How I got it? I had a gas start too, you know what I mean? It's still waiting for one man to come and just it. Stag. Cheers.
Good, get that fire ready. Action here.
Ready?
Go. Hear that song a lot, man, like a plain ticket out.
Before they smell that, boy. I wish we had smell vision.
Cover it down now. Let it go in a little bit low heat, not high heat. Because we lime in all day. This is like a river cook. And
We're trying to go and beg mom to see if we should make some roti for you.
alright. I'm gonna be lady Sappy.
Sappy can fire.
Gonna be woman Sappy.
I mean nothing bad, but if I put my hand in the spot, it's going to taste good.
Sappy. We are to cook now what the original cook now what I had to and we have the original cook upstairs.
Happy with it?
Okay, it's done. Well, we'll sauce now because we need to treat the rice. And we're gonna have a taste and see how we come out. Layers. And again, anybody in Toronto, we got this at Scarborough, Malvern, the plaza there, and it's $3 for one of the layers. So go shop. Wonderful. Sweet. Great. Thanks for watching. I hope you try this recipe. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.